Hello friends, in this video I am going to create a simple arithmetic game for children in which they can test their ability to perform simple operations like plus, minus and multiply. So let's start. First we will need a linear H and a linear V. The linear H will contain our scoring. So for scoring we need 4 text views. The first one will be set to score. And for this change the weight to 1 and change gravity to right. Now for this entire linear, change the background color to white. Change the second text view to 0. This will be the score. So we must remember this. This is text view 2. Text view 2 will act as score. The next text view will be just a symbol. And this text view will be the total number of questions answered by the person. So this will be initially 0. Now in the second linear, add a text. We need several text views. This will be number, then a symbol, then another number, then an equal to sign, then edit text field for answer, and then we need a button to submit the answer. Change the gravity of this field to center horizontal, center vertical, and then change background color to pink or any color you want. Now for that, here for the first text view, increase the size to say 30, then do the same for rest of the text views. This fourth text view will be an equal to symbol. Then for the edit text field, change size to 30 and change background color to white. This button will be submit button. Okay, now our view area is completed. In logic area, go to on create activity and then create a more block. This will be new game. Okay, now add 4 number variables. First will be num1, then another number variable num2. After this, add a variable for score, then add another variable for questions, and add one variable for operation. And then add a string variable also. Now go to more block, the new game. This is the more block. Here set num1 to a random number. Pick random between -99 and 99. Now use this block text view set text and set the text of text view 5 to string without decimal, and here we will use num1. Now copy this whole block and do the same for num2. Here it will be text view 7, and instead of num1 we will use num2. So this will choose two random numbers all between -99 and 99, and then we will choose a random symbol. So that will be our operation. Pick random between 1 and 3. And here we will use if else. If operation is equal to 1, then set the text of text view 6 to plus, and if it is 2, then set the text to minus, and if it is neither of these two, then set the text of text view 6 to multiply. Now after this, go back to onCreate and here set score to 0, and set questions to 0. And after this, use the new block, which is new game. So this will use all the blocks which are used here in on activity create. So now let's go to on button click. On button click, we will get the text from edit text field. And now we have to check the answer. So first we will find the answer. So for finding the answer, we get the text from the two fields, or here we already know the variables. So we get the variables, and the first variable is num1 and second one is num2, and then here we have to again use if else. So here just use an if else block. Now here copy this part from here, if opera equal to 1, opera equal to 2, and so on. Paste it here. So if opera equal to 1, what we do is we find num1 plus num2. So here we will need another variable, answer. So set this variable answer to num1 plus num2. Now after this, copy this. If opera equal to 2, then change this and use minus instead of this, num1 minus num2. and if it is neither 1 neither 2 means it is 3, and so we will use a multiply symbol here. Num1 into num2. So this will get our answer. Now we will check if this answer is equal to or not. So we will get the text from edit text field, and we will convert this number, which is our answer, to a string variable, and check if they are equal or not using equal sign. If answer equals contents of edit text field, then we will set the string to correct answer, and then we will increase the score by 1 and increase the questions by 1, and if it is not correct, then we will set the string to incorrect answer, and then we will not increase score here, we will only increase question. Now after this, set the text of text view field, text view 2 and text view 4. Text view 2 will be to string without decimal score, and text view 4 will be to string without decimal questions. Now after this, create a new dialog component, or we will just toast this message which is written in string. So here we will show it as toast, and after this use the more block new game. So that's all. This will create a simple game in which the person can check his ability to add, subtract and multiply. Now let's check this once. Okay, here our initial question is 13 into minus 12. So this will be 130 into 130 plus 26 minus 156. This is correct answer. And now it has come to new question, but this field has not become empty. So in order to make it empty, here on button click, we will set the text of edit text field to empty. And one more thing which we'll do is, in view manager, in main.xml, choose keyboard state as hidden. That's all. So now the keyboard will not be visible in beginning, and we can do our calculations, and in next question it will not, means it will clear the edit text field. So here it is some large calculation. It was incorrect answer. Correct answer. So like this, the score is 1/2 now. So in this way it shows score also, and we can do operations. So this is a good game for small children. I hope it was useful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.